questions. We are looking at exponential questions. SAT questions are usually not straightforward, so we are giving you all the strategies for you to be armed with as you go into the exam. The upcoming May 1, you can able to excel and get your maximum credit needed. So here we have been given a to the power 3 over 4 is equals to 8. What is the value of a to the power negative 1 half? So let's start from here. A to the power 3 over 4. We know that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which can be written as 2 to the power 3. Now we need to find our a. So that means we want to make here 1. So we will multiply the inverses here. So 4 divided by 3 here. And we will do the same thing. 4 divided by 3. The reason is that we want to make here 1. So we have to flip it and then multiply. So here, kind of as you multiply, you will see that you will get 3 times 4 will be 12. And 4 times 3 will be 12. And here, 2 to the power 12 divided by 3, which we get a to the power 1 or a. And here is 2 to the power 4. So as we get this one, that make the work so easy. So therefore, a to the power negative 1 half, we are going to multiply here to this original 1 times negative 1 half. And as we do that, whole number is over 1. So we can rewrite that as that. And then this becomes 4 times negative 1, which is going to be negative 4, divided by 1 times 2, which is 2. And we get 2 to the power negative 2. We don't want to leave a negative exponent, so it becomes 1, 2 root 2, and that becomes 1. 2 squared is 4, so that gives us 1/4. So a to the power negative 1 half is equals to 1 over 4 or a quarter. So that's how you follow the process and then you solve it. Let's look at the next one. All of these are exponents. We're looking at the hard exponent question. So we are using the law of exponent. If we have an divided by am, it's just a. You take the base and then the numerator power minus the denominator power. So we are going to apply the same thing here. So here is going to be minus this one here, all squared. And now we have to expand. So you have to know how to expand a binomial expansion. You can use a Pascal. I have done a separate video on that. I'm going to attach it. If you don't know how to use a Pascal, you can rewrite this one as twice. And then you multiply, you apply your FOIL. So if you apply your FOIL, you get a squared plus, and then here is going to be AB, and here is going to be BA, which we can write it as AB, and then B times B is going to be B squared. Make sure you put this in the parentheses because this negative is going to affect everything after. So here it's going to be A squared and negative AB, negative BA, which is the same as AB, negative times negative here will be positive, so B squared. Okay, your A squared, this becomes 2AB plus B squared minus A squared. This is going to affect that. But remember, this is going to be negative 2A, so it's going to turn it into positive 2AB. And then this will affect this one minus B squared. This and this goes away. This one and this one goes away, leaving 2 and here 2, 2, so it becomes 4AB. And then 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. So it becomes 16 to the power AB. And that is option D. And let's look at the next one. This one looks similar to what we just did. Be careful, the 2 is also affecting this one. So here, what is happening is that you're getting A plus B all squared, and then the 2 is also squared, and then minus A minus B all squared, and here 2 all squared. It will become similar to what we just did. And if you know your Pascal, we are going to expand this, so it's just going to be A squared plus 2AB as we got from the other one, and then B squared minus, put the parentheses here. Here, all over 4. Here become A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. I'm using Pascal's triangle to expand that, and here become 4. Here we have 4, we have 4. So all of them is on 4. And then you write your A squared plus 2AB plus B squared minus A squared plus 2AB minus B squared. So it looks similar to the previous example. Here goes away, here goes away. It become, this and this become 4. So we got 4AB all on 4, and then 4 divided by 4 is 1, so they go away, and they leave you with AB as an answer, and the A is the correct option. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. Please, if today is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, and see you in the next video.